Once upon a time, in a land where the vibrant colors of the rainbow painted the skies every morning, there lived a tiny girl named Thambolina. Though she was no bigger than a thumb, her heart was as big as the ocean. Thambolina lived among the daisies and tulips, where fairies flitted about, showering the ground with sparkling dewdrops. One golden afternoon, as Thambolina was picking petals for her bedtime tea, a commotion ruffled through the meadow. The fluttery wings of the fairies were buzzing with worry. Someone had kidnapped the mischievous fairy Dust, the keeper of dreams. Determined to help, Thambolina set off on a journey with her best friend, a wise and gentle mouse named Whiskers. With a bag filled with star seeds to light their path and a whimsical map that danced across their hands like a playful goat, they ventured into the Enchanted Woods. The woods were filled with wonders and whispers. The trees spoke in hushed tones, their leaves shimmering with secrets. "Beware the murky mists," an old oak creaked as they passed by. Undeterred, Thambolina and Whiskers tiptoed through patches of moonflowers that opened only when the moon winked at them. As they continued, they came across a curious party of singing crickets. "Hello," chirped the crickets in unison, "you're close to the stream of splendor. A little further, and you shall find what you seek. But first, a riddle." With gleaming eyes, Thambolina listened intently. The cricket leader sang, "What dances without a sound, and sees without eyes?" After a moment's thought, Whiskers whispered, "A shadow." The crickets twinkled with delight, granting passage and sharing a nugget of advice: follow the melody of your heart, for it leads to the truth. Guided by a sweet melody that wrapped around them like a soft lullaby, Thambolina and Whiskers reached the stream of splendor. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.